What is a call to action and why do you need one? The single most important thing of any outbound communication, if you're trying to sell something. Or how is somebody supposed to understand what they're to do, unless you tell them what to do on any kind of outbound marketing communication? If you want somebody to respond to a telephone call, a web form, to SMS you, to click an ad, you have to give them a reason why they're going to do that, right? And the reason is the call to action with the offer, right? So those two things go hand in hand. Without a call to action, you can have the most beautiful ads, best written content, if you're not telling someone what to do and make them make a decision. And then all these supporting things that are happening around the call to action are meant to enforce that thing to get you the highest return on investment. What's an example of a call to action? Click call today and we'll teach you how to save money. Call here now and get a 10% discount. Use this coupon code at checkout to get this. Selling them what they're getting, and you're telling them what to do at. But there is a catch, right? You can't go tell somebody to do something without giving them a reason why a great offer, and then supporting it with the social proof, the accolades, the testimonials and third-party endorsements. All of that stuff comes into play, but call to action and the offer have got to be valuable, or else you never even make it to those other components. Yeah, stay tuned, guys, because we'll be posting another video with more of the specific ingredients you need for a strong call to action.